Ramp and a spring. A block is initially positioned on a smooth ramp at a height h. The block is released and slides down until it hits a spring and compresses the spring a maximum distance of x as shown on the diagram. The student believes that if the block is lifted to a height of 2h and released, then the spring will be compressed to a maximum distance of 2x because increasing the gravitational potential energy increases the elastic potential energy. Which aspects of the student's reasoning, if any, are correct? Explain how you arrived at your answer. B. Which aspects, if any, are incorrect? Explain how you arrived at that answer. C. Develop an expression for the new distance the spring is compressed. We'll call that x prime. Express your answer in terms of x. D. Instead of the block starting from h and hitting the spring directly, it first hits another identical block and the two blocks stick together before they hit the spring. Will the spring be compressed more than, less than, or the same as it was before the second block was added? Check one of those boxes and then explain the reasoning. Many times on the exam, you'll actually get a point for the correct answer and then another point for reasoning that matches it, assuming, of course, it's correct. Consider the earth ramp track spring system. So this is what we're considering, and of course, gravity from the earth. There is no friction, so there are no external forces, and total mechanical energy is conserved. The gravitational force is part of our system here because why? We're considering the earth. The student is correct in stating that the EPE of the spring will increase if the height of the block is increased and then released. The increased height starts the block with a greater GPE. When the spring is fully compressed, all its energy is stored in EPE. Since total mechanical energy is conserved, GPE equals EPE. Right, here's your GP up here, here's your EPE down there. A greater GPE results in a greater EPE. Which aspects of the student's reasoning, if any, are incorrect? Explain how you arrived at your answer. The student is incorrect in stating that the compression of the spring doubles with a doubling of the height of the block's initial position. GPE is proportional to the square root of the height of the block. EPE is proportional to the square of the compression. Doubling the GPE only increases the EPE by the square root of 2. Develop an expression for the new distance the spring is compressed, x prime. Express your answer in terms of x. We're going to use the conservation of energy and set the GPE equal to EPE. Then compare the initial elastic potential energy and the new elastic potential energy, where h prime is 2h. The new compression is the square root of 2 times the original one. So over here is our initial energy. mgh is equal to 1/2 kx squared. So in this case, x is equal to the square root of 2 mgh over k. Now our new situation, we double the height, so we put 2h in there, and we solve that for x prime. And we do a little algebra, and we get x prime is this. Now we don't multiply the 2 times the 2 because we want to recover this piece right here. So we take out this 2, and it becomes radical 2. So x prime is equal to radical 2 times x. Now we're going to have the block hit another identical block first, and the two blocks stick together before they hit the spring. Will the spring be compressed more than, less than, or the same as it was before the second block was added? It's going to be less than, because the collision described is an inelastic collision where kinetic energy is not conserved. A portion of the energy is transformed into thermal and sound energy, an energy that deforms the block. Continuing the reasoning, conservation of total mechanical energy cannot be used now since kinetic energy is not conserved and is not transformed into GPE or EPE. The final elastic potential energy is less than the initial gravitational potential energy of the system due to the energy transformation. The compression of the spring will be less than the original setup.